What's the meaning of birdwatcher? Birdwatcher. Birdwatcher.
Birdwatcher. Birdwatcher. A birdwatcher is a person who observes and identifies birds in their natural habitat. These individuals may be amateur enthusiasts or professional researchers who monitor bird populations, behavior, and migration patterns. Birdwatching is a popular recreational activity that requires patience, attention to detail, and a love for the outdoors. The activity can vary from simple backyard bird feeding to extensive expeditions into remote wilderness areas. Observing and understanding birds can also provide valuable insights into the health of ecosystems and the impact of human activities on wildlife. Overall, birdwatching can be a rewarding and educational pastime for people of all ages and backgrounds.